It's January 27th, 2019. SARA rocketry.org. SARA, Southern Arizona Rocketry Association, Tucson's local rocket club. We're out at Udall Park with 4-H Club flying some egg rockets. And I'm going to be flying the 24 millimeter 3D printed rocket with the camera coming up right now. Hold on. Okay, 24 mm Sport G12-7. Yeah. Range and sky. Continuity 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good time had by all. The 4-H kids didn't scramble any eggs. Great hanging out with the members of SARA. Let's look at some tasty stills here. Nice picture of Udall there. Close-up of Frost. My wife loves that place. Get some gelato. Parachute. Always good to have one in a situation like this. That's Big Lots. Poco and Mom's restaurant across the street. I think that's Tancaverde. This is the dump. Interesting, it looks like there's an alien face in the middle of the dump there. And that's back towards my house. Thanks again, SARArocketry.org.